Good day from Kilstant White Ants. Today we are going to show you how to assess a subsale property for termite issues before deciding to purchase. We were contacted by this interested buyer to check for termite damages for this high-rise property in Old Klang Road, Klang Valley. The property is located at level 7. In one look, the property looks nice, decent, and living room seems to be kept well. The kitchen, however, caught our attention with this wire-looking line. Upon close observation, we notice its termite mud tubes moving upwards to the built-in cabinet from the kitchen counter. This should be highly taken into consideration as replacing kitchen counters and cabinets can be an expensive affair. Okay, next, let's move on to the bedrooms. Okay, the bedroom has a nice view overlooking luscious greenery. This room is finished with wooden flooring and wooden skirting. From afar, the wood fixtures and walls appears to be water damage. On closer look, the water damage is definitely noticeable on the skirting and the walls. The discoloration on the walls is definitely apparent. Water damage and waterproofing is another home issue to be looked at. Notice this line here. These may look like rust lines, but we highly suspect them to be termite mud tubes. We need to understand that water softens wooden fixtures, and this makes it extremely easy for termites to chew and break down wood. Behind the wooden skirting, we can see termites extremely active and the noise they make as well. Let's have a look at another section behind the skirting. Termites are extremely active here, and breaking wood down is their nature. This would mean replacing the entire flooring and skirting after the termite treatment. This would be an additional cost for homeowners. Let's move on to the wardrobe built-ins. This is another favorite termite entry point. Termites travel in between concrete or wall cracks and gaps to reach these cabinets. Over here, we notice termite mud tubes, and here we can notice active termites coming out when we remove the shell. Kilstant White Ants would like to take the opportunity to inform that not only landed properties are succumb to termite attack, high-rise units are also a potential. This is because Malaysia is a tropical country filled with greenery. Termites thrive, and Malaysia's rain shine in its tropical state. We hope that listeners are better and well informed after watching this video. Thank you.